Welcome to our roundup of the best portable grills of 2026. Versatile and reliable grilling options perfect for tailgating, camping, picnics, beach days, backyard barbecues, and more. Portable grills make it easy to enjoy delicious grilled meals no matter where you are, and today's models combine convenience, performance, and durability in compact designs that are simple to set up and transport. We've selected top grills that offer a balance of heat power, cooking surface, construction quality, and overall value, so you can find the right option for your outdoor cooking needs. Let's take a closer look at what makes each portable grill stand out. Starting with the Gas One Portable Barbecue Grill, this model is a practical choice for users who want a straightforward and dependable grill that's easy to carry and use. Its compact design makes it ideal for small group cookouts, family picnics, or camping trips where space is limited. The grill's burner delivers steady heat, allowing you to grill burgers, hot dogs, or veggies with ease. Simple controls help you manage your cooking temperature, and the lightweight build makes setup and transport a breeze. With its user-friendly ignition system and sturdy cook grate, this grill also performs well in varied outdoor conditions, making it a reliable choice for first-time grillers or anyone who wants uncomplicated performance with consistent results. Next up is the MegaMaster One-Burner Portable Gas Grill, a single-burner model that brings a bit more versatility to your outdoor cooking. While still compact and easy to transport, the added burner power gives you reliable heat for more substantial grilling tasks. Its sturdy construction helps maintain stable performance on uneven ground, and the cooking surface is large enough for a few burgers or steaks at a time. This grill often includes built-in wind guards and adjustable height settings, helping you keep flame control even in breezy conditions. Many users also appreciate the integrated handle and durable lid latches, which make transport and storage more secure. Whether you're grilling for one, two, or a small group of friends, this model offers dependable performance without a bulky unit, making it a great companion for frequent road trips or park barbecues. Moving on to the Master-Built Portable Propane Gas Grill, this grill steps up your cooking capabilities with a larger cooking area and stronger heat output. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts who frequently grill on the go, it features a propane-fueled burner that heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly across the surface. The grill's build quality and materials support longer-term use, and its foldable legs or carry handles make transport easier. Some versions also include side shelves or tool hooks that help keep grilling accessories within reach, and the heavy-gauge grates provide excellent searing marks on meats. With its durable construction and enhanced heat control, this grill performs well in varied weather, allowing you to enjoy backyard barbecues, tailgate parties, and campsite meals with consistency and ease. Taking the number 2 spot is the Cuisinart Tabletop Portable Propane Grill, a reliable choice for users who value even heat distribution and consistent performance. This grill's tabletop design lets you set up on picnic tables, tailgate spaces, or campsite benches without needing extra stands. The propane burner offers adjustable heat, making it easier to sear meats or toast buns just right. Its sturdy build and quality construction help it stand up to frequent use, and the grilling surface is spacious enough for family meals without feeling cramped. In addition, its easy-to-clean drip tray and corrosion-resistant finish help ensure long-lasting use, and the grill's compact size still offers enough power to cook multiple items simultaneously. Whether you're preparing breakfast at the campground or grilling dinner at a park, this grill balances portability with dependable performance. Claiming the top spot for overall performance, convenience, and versatility is the Coleman Road Trip Portable Propane Grill. This grill combines powerful propane-fueled heat with a flexible, user-friendly design that makes it ideal for a wide range of outdoor cooking scenarios. Its modular cooking system allows you to adjust or change cooking grates, giving you the freedom to grill, sear, or even simmer as needed. The Road Trip's sturdy wheels, collapsible legs, and carry handles make transport and setup simple, even when you're moving between locations. With generous cooking space and reliable heat distribution, it's a top pick for families, frequent campers, and anyone who wants a grill that performs well on the road or in the backyard. All of these portable grills serve different needs in outdoor settings. The Gas One portable barbecue grill offers simple, reliable performance for basic grilling. The MegaMaster one-burner portable gas grill adds a bit more burner power in a compact package. The Masterbuilt portable propane gas grill brings a larger cooking area and even heat distribution. The Cuisinart cable-top propane gas grill delivers tabletop-friendly convenience and solid construction. And the Coleman Road Trip portable propane grill stands out as the most versatile and feature-rich choice overall. That wraps up our list of the best portable grills of 2026, from lightweight cookers for quick meals to powerful propane grills built for full outdoor feasts. If you're upgrading your outdoor cooking gear, planning your next camping trip, or just want a dependable grill that travels easily, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which portable grill you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gear reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next outdoor meal more delicious with the right grill by your side.